And this is one of the things that underpins all pastoral systems. Think about our farming season, which goes from June to June. Pasture growth rate is really important because pasture is our base animal feed. But we know at some times of the season pasture grows faster than others. So when the conditions are right, we've got lots of sunshine and appropriate rainfall, and that we will have a lot of pasture. But we know in seasons like summer, when things get dry, our pasture growth rates drop down, and in winter, when temperatures are lower, pasture growth rate stops. So if we plot our animal demand through this time, we end up with what we call surplus and deficit periods. So we're trying to manage that so that we can feed our animals as well as possible. So in periods when we have a surplus, we will make things like silage, baleage, hay to conserve that excess feed, which means we can move that excess feed to times when feed is lacking, so move that into our deficit period. Another advantage for the spring, when we have very high pasture growth rates and not all is being eaten, is we can actually drop some paddocks out of our rotation and we can plant them in crops. So we could plant things like turnips or forage herbs, and these feeds can be used when we have a deficit period. And by doing that, we maintain our feed supply, but we also maintain high quality feed by putting these crops into the system.